In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete search history on TikTok. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be able to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open TikTok on your device and sign in to your account. Then here, go ahead and click on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now in this section, you'll be able to find your recent searches. So to individually delete your recent searches, you can go ahead and click on the X icon beside each of the search. But to be able to delete all of your searches on TikTok, what you can do is to head over to your profile. Click on the profile icon. On your profile, click on the top right corner of your screen and click on settings and privacy, and this will take you to the settings and privacy page. Now in here, go ahead and click on the activity center, which you'll find above the content preferences and below the music button. So this will redirect you to the activity center of TikTok. Now in here, go ahead and click on the search history. You'll get redirected to the search history page. Now to be able to delete all of this, go ahead and click on the select button at the top right corner of your screen, and this will allow you to click on the select all search history and click on the delete all to be able to delete all of your search history on TikTok. So just go ahead and click on the delete button to be able to confirm the deletion. And that's how you can simply delete all of your search history on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.